Paraguay, the second country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Could this mean the floodgates are opening for crypto? Welcome back to Crypto Fitness. I'm Jay. If you like making gains, subscribe, share, like, comment down below what your favorite crypto and your favorite way to work out is. And if you want to learn how to trade or take your trading skills to the next level, be sure to get on the waitlist for my course, Crypto Trading Secrets, where I teach you how to trade with leverage or without leverage from A to Z and teach you how to maximize your gains and minimize your losses. Link to that is down in the description below. But let's jump in. So we have some breaking news. Paraguay proposes a bill to make Bitcoin legal tender. Now, I made a video about this a few days ago. I covered this. It wasn't confirmed yet, but they were in talks that it would happen by July. Obviously, today's June 24th, and obviously a couple weeks away from July. But I mean, this is massive for the crypto space. Obviously, in my opinion, this is like the floodgates starting to open, the snowball starting to roll down the hill for Bitcoin being adopted as legal tender in several countries. And South American countries, I think, have a very good chance to really change their future by jumping on this opportunity. South American nation Paraguay is on track to make Bitcoin a legal tender following the announcement of the proposal of a bill to support the move. The Bitcoin proposal was affirmed by a member of the parliament, Carlitos Rejala, who shot into global fame in the past weeks. The bill, if passed, will position Paraguay as the second country to embrace Bitcoin as legal tender after El Salvador. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you know that my heritage is from El Salvador. I'm very, very proud that they are making progressive moves like this. President Bukele is making fantastic decisions, in my opinion. And I think this is great for the country of El Salvador and for the country of Paraguay, and really countries in South America, I think, have a really good opportunity here. Plan to make Bitcoin a legal tender may not be as smooth as envisaged, going by the current travails of El Salvador with the World Bank. While the International Monetary Fund earlier raised economic concerns with respect to the plans El Salvador has to make Bitcoin a legal tender, the World Bank denied the country any help to implement the cryptocurrency in its monetary system. The World Bank said, "We are committed to helping El Salvador in numerous ways, including for currency transparency and regulatory processes. While the government did approach us for assistance on Bitcoin, this is not something the World Bank can support given the environmental and transparency shortcomings." And obviously, I did a video recently showing that El Salvador is planning on making geothermal clean renewable energy mining for Bitcoin. And it's fantastic that they are taking this approach, and Paraguay is wanting to trail El Salvador in those same green energy type of moves. The consideration of Bitcoin as a major currency in Paraguay and the bid to make the nation a crypto hub is based on the availability of cheap renewable energy in the country. Several stakeholders are notably working with Rejala to introduce bills that will advance the positioning of Paraguay as a Bitcoin hub. While the majority, about 90% of Paraguay's energy, is exported to other countries, including Brazil and Argentina, backers of the Bitcoin as a legal tender bill are optimistic the nation can trail El Salvador in pushing forth clean Bitcoin mining activities. So this is fantastic. I love seeing this. It's just bullish for the crypto space as a whole. We're just seeing now, even though the price of Bitcoin has dipped 55% and altcoins have taken a bigger correction, the fundamental news on Bitcoin is just getting ever more bullish as time goes on and as more institutions and countries get involved. I mean, there's just so many, it's just bound for the price action to match this fundamental craziness going on. And another piece of news, Canada could become the next El Salvador for Bitcoin, but how soon? So this is very, very interesting as well, because Canada, as you know, has a lot of crypto projects. They've done a lot in the crypto space. Ethereum, I'm pretty sure Vitalik Buterin is Canadian-Russian, if I do remember correctly, and there have been a lot of projects coming out of Canada. A Bloomberg report recently revealed that 1/3 of the 25 most actively traded ETFs on the Toronto Stock Exchange were cryptocurrency funds. I mean, that's obviously bullish, and it seems like Canada is kind of leading the United States in as far as adoption or bullishness on crypto in general. The Canadian Elite Basketball League, CEBL, announced it was offering its professional basketballers, why don't they just call them basketball players? Anyway, the option of receiving their salary in cryptocurrency. The payment will be facilitated by the cryptocurrency exchange BitBuy, which will convert the players' Canadian dollar salary to cryptocurrencies if they so desire. That's awesome. Now, a little bit of negative news as far as the SEC. The Ontario Securities Commission, or I guess the OSC would be called in Canada, has charged Bybit, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, operating an unregistered crypto asset trading platform. The trading may pay up to $1 million in penalties if the charges are confirmed. $1 million bucks, I mean, that seems kind of like a little slap on the wrist to Bybit. I mean, that doesn't really seem like that big of a deal, but it is, you know, obviously it is, it's been brought up to the Ontario Securities Commission, so I guess it is somewhat of a big deal. But a similar legal action was also taken against cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin earlier. So obviously it looks like, you know, this is not necessarily bullish news, but if you look at the macro perspective, it kind of is, because obviously the Ontario Securities Commission is, you know, obviously identifying and bringing to light the fact that these crypto exchanges are, I guess they're bringing them more attention, so to speak. And in all, Canada is showing signs of adopting digital currencies faster than many other countries. So, you know, again, if Canada can get past a few hurdles, you know, maybe they become another country to adopt crypto or adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. There was talks in this article about them wanting to create their own digital currencies, and that could slow down the effect of the Bitcoin adoption. But, you know, maybe they do eventually adopt Bitcoin, and eventually that's, in my opinion, that would be bullish in the long term. So, I mean, this is just fantastic news. I'm very excited to see the country of Paraguay adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Recently, there was another article that said that Panama was also looking into getting involved in the crypto space as well. I don't think that they have a bill or anything like that, or plans to make a bill for adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, but they are interested and wanting to get involved in some way. So, and again, another South American country who is relatively bullish on crypto, Bitcoin, and in general. So this is fantastic news. I'm super excited for what the future holds for crypto. And if you are too, be sure to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. And of course, if you like making gains, be sure to subscribe as well. Comment down below what you like to do to work out and what your favorite crypto project is, and what your thoughts are on Paraguay, El Salvador, and some of these South American countries getting bullish and adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. What are your thoughts on that? If you're new to crypto, you're new to trading, or if you want to learn how to leverage trade, or if you want to take your leverage trading skills or trading skills to the next level, be sure to get on my course, Waitlist Crypto Trading Secrets, link in the description below. And I will teach you from A to Z how to trade with leverage, without leverage, so you can maximize gains and minimize losses. And you know, on this channel, we love those gains. And because it's a free course, if you feel so inclined, if you feel generous and you'd like to support my channel, support my work, and support the course, you can donate any amount of money or crypto that you feel is equal to the value of the information you've gotten in this video or any of my other videos. Links to my Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin addresses are in the description below. And last but not least, stay fucking hard. I'll see you in the next one.